Today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Man Tries Harassing Female Officer Ends Badly.
At a bar where a man refuses to leave, but the situation explodes when he actually tries to attack them.
Okay, well, we'll get it all figured out. Do me a favor, just step over here for me. Hey, do me a favor. Hey.
You were very aggressive, and he was very nice.
Okay, listen, what does your phone look like?
My phone is a black.
All right. You already paid your tab? How are you going to call the phone?
I paid my tab. You can call my phone for me.
Okay, I'm not going to call your phone for you, but...
No, please be nice. Because when y'all lost y'all phone one time downtown, I bought the phone to a motherfucking police officer.
Okay.
And he dropped it.
Two things.
Please.
One,
I don't care, man.
One, I'm going to help you out. Two, you're just not going to tell me what you're going to be doing.
Please give me my phone.
Cases.
Okay.
So they don't have your card because they don't keep cards.
He already paid his tab.
I asked for my phone.
Okay, then I was just telling you.
I'm not
Now
being...
you're yelling.
No, stop. Because I asked him...
Yelling. Stop yelling.
Man, what the fuck?
Okay, have a good
Because
night.
I talked to them before I talked to you. And I asked, no, you with them. And I asked them for a simple question to hand me my phone. I'll talk to you like I talked to him.
They're talking a little loud, so I'm done with
No. Well, then go on.
You're here for you.
No, you're not here for me. You're here for them to protect their establishment. All I want is my fucking phone.
He already paid his
All I
tab.
want is my fucking phone.
They don't
You guys on the phone?
We never served him.
Okay, so when I find my phone and I track
You're going to back up.
Please.
You're going to back up.
When I find my phone and I track it and it's here, that's on y'all.
Okay, have a good night.
That's fine. You can try that in the morning. They don't have your phone.
They do.
They never even served you.
Use a fucking lie, because
Okay,
I
have a
got
good night. They don't have your phone. Good night. Goodbye.
Use a good lie and get the fuck out my face.
Not
Because
what you do. Have a good night. Yes.
Sir, ma'am, I just went in there and had a drink. So please go in there and ask
And now
them for
you're
my-
not back in there? They don't want you there.
No, they kicked me out of there because I fired up a black.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, they would not steal a phone. Okay, you went in there. Your tab is paid. What I recommend doing? Can you listen to how I would handle the situation?
So how can
Are
I
you
pay?
reasonable? Are you reasonable? You look like a reasonable guy.
I am very much so.
Me too.
But how
Listen.
can I pay a tab and I paid it off of my phone?
They probably don't have tap to pay in there. You probably have to use your credit card. Do you have a card on you?
I use tab.
Okay, they don't have your phone. What
This
to
is not
do?
making sense to me when
It's
I
not
use
making
tab.
sense to me. If the business tells me they don't have your phone,
But she doesn't give a fuck.
Well, when you say it like that, it's not my problem. So we're trying to help you. You're not being
Hey,
cordial.
find somebody else to play with that's not me. Because I got people in places.
How is you find someone else to play with
Hey,
us? Have a good
get
night.
the fuck out my face.
okay.
One more time.
I'm
Here's how this
trying
is
to
gonna
be
happen.
nice to you. Do what the fuck you gotta
No,
do.
you're not.
Because
Have a
it's
good
not
night.
me, it's them.
Have a good night. You're done.
I'm doing no good night when they got my
We're
card.
done here.
We're done. Have a good
They don't
night.
have.
Bye.
They don't have your card because
Do
you
not
paid with
go
your
back
That's
phone.
the
in.
fuck they do.
You paid with your phone. That's what you just said.
Then go get my
Trespass
phone.
on here right now.
They don't have your phone.
Trespass.
Yep. Have a good night.
Okay,
If you
that's
come
fine.
back, you're gonna go to jail. Or you'll just go for the I don't really care.
Trespass. That's fine. I don't either. You dumb bitch. Give me all of her documentation, please. Thank you.
What's that?
Give me her documentation. Thank you.
Shut up.
No, it's no shut up. Give me the documentation.
Hey,
Thank you.
you come back, you go to jail.
Give me the documentation. Thank you.
Yeah, wipe me
Give me
right.
all of your information. So when I prove you're wrong, you can look like a fucking fool. Thank you. No, that's no good. Give me all of your documentation. I can go to the fuck out.
Who the hell is this guy? Who the hell is this guy? Whoa! Who the hell is this? What?
You can look like a fucking fool. Thank you. No, that's no good. Give me all of your documentation. I can go to the fuck out. Give me your documentation. I can go to the fuck I got. Give me your documentation. Give me your I need your card and your name. No, baby. Give me your card and your documentation. Give me your card and your documentation. I can go to the fuck when the fuck I got to go. Give me your card. No. card and your documentation. Please. Give me your dog.
Yeah, you can't. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold up. Hold up, now.
Give me your dog.
Boom. Ooh.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting. I asked a simple question. I asked for information. So me asking for information.
No, you snatching at officers and putting your hands on people.
I never touched the officer. You lied.
Check his
Wait.
waistband for guns and stuff.
Putting her hand. Wait. Did he put his? Wait. He said no. You were snatching at officers and putting your hands on. Wait, hold on. Did he touch her when he went?
Card and your documentation. Please. Give me your dog. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not
Give
resisting.
me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting. I asked a simple question. I asked for information. So me asking for information.
No, you snatching at officers and putting your hands on people.
I never touched the officer. You lied.
Check his waistband for guns and stuff.
I've never touched the
Gonna
officer.
roll this way.
I've never touched that officer.
Just roll him over and we'll get him up. Get him up for the station.
All I ask is a simple question for information. I asked for information.
Officer 619.
Ma'am, I asked for information. No, you didn't. I asked for your card and your information. I asked for your card and your information.
There you go. All right.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I asked for card and information. So how did I get Y'all can drop me off home. I asked for card and information.
It'll be on the charging app.
For card and information? Come on, man.
Check this out, man. Multiple times you were warned to stop approaching the officer, okay?
Asked for card and
She
information.
started getting the paperwork for you.
She didn't do
So
nothing.
now you're going to jail.
Is your name Darius? Is your name Darius?
No, all that
Your
is
name
for card
Darius?
and information.
Is your name Darius?
All that is for card and
Is your name
information.
Darius?
I'm just asking.
Your debit card that you were looking for was found in your right pocket.
I didn't ask about the no bad card.
You did, sir.
I asked him about the drink.
Nope. You asked about that in your phone, of which they don't have your phone. The debit card that you were looking
My
for was in your
phone.
pocket.
That's what I asked him about.
Hey, it's not in there, bud. We told you that.
It is. All you gotta do is
You wanted to
call.
do the most.
I asked her for some. All I asked is for card and
I
information.
went to go get it, but you wouldn't stand there and listen.
Yes, I did. What are you talking about? All I asked is for card and information.
Let me finish charging.
You guys gonna throw me?
Can you just hold that for a second?
I asked for card and information. Card and information. I'm not.
You need to relax, okay?
All I asked for is
Whatever
card
you
and-
have in your pockets, you need to relax, okay?
I don't have
All right,
nothing in
let's
my
stop playing games.
pocket. I got these shorts from my cousin. So what the fuck is y'all talking about?
So he must have something on him.
I'm
You hear
not
me?
doing nothing.
He got something on him.
I'm
You're gonna
not
go back to
doing
the ground, you
anything.
understand?
It's gonna be
There's
25-169,
There's coke right here.
169,
I don't have no
183.
cocaine in my pocket.
Thank you.
Well, there's stuff on that side. That's why. Hey, just do it on this side. This side. This.
Soon as you hear him say, "These are my cousin shorts," you got something. Okay. If you know you hot, why would you even be wanting to press your luck with the cops like that, man?
Side. Well, here, there's stuff on that side. I got it. No, I got it. That's fine. I just put it on passenger usually. That's all.
All right.
right. Have a seat. Is there anything else on you that we can find?
No, man, I ain't did nothing wrong. All I had to do was ask some questions.
You debate that with the judge, okay? Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there. I have not done nothing, man. I'm telling you.
Presumptive positive cocaine. Seems clear. Approximately half gram.
Step up. No trying. Don't think I'm being wrong. Try going to Petty Wagon van for asking about my cell phone? Yes, sir. For asking about my cell phone.
It's the weekend, man. Busy night, man. Make room.
Watch it.
The man was charged with the following offenses following the incident at the bar: assault on a law enforcement officer, possession of cocaine, bond $2,500, resisting an officer without violence, bond $1,000, trespassing in an occupied structure, bond $500. While bonds were set for the drug and trespassing charges, the judge ordered no bond for the assault on the officer, resulting in him being booked into the Booking Release Center, BRC, and remaining in custody rather than walking free. Unfortunately, any further case details are locked for this case.
Yeah, man. I don't know. You know you hot, man. You should have just kept it pushing, man. Call them in the morning, see if they found the phone. That's about it. You know, log into somebody else's iPhone, whatever, do the Find My iPhone or whatever. Something like that. If you got an iPhone, if you got an Android, then I don't even know. I don't even know what to do with an Android. So I would be able to tell you. I'm an Apple guy, man. You know what I'm saying? Steve Jobs, you know? I don't know what you do with an Android. But anyway. Yep. Take your ass on down to the county. Cops, they did decent. I give them a 4. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.